Did you know that there's a ton of reasons that we might consider vaginal estrogen that don't include menopause? Hi, I'm your local OBGYN. I love women and let's talk about it. So let's go in age order. Sometimes we use this in itty bitty infants that are female. When they're in their mommy's tummy, they get exposed to mom's hormones. So they do have a little bit of estrogen that's still being pumped through their system. And when that drops down, they can actually get really dry down in their vaginal area, which can ultimately cause them to kind of seal close down there and make it really problematic to go pee. So we sometimes will use a little bit of topical estrogen down there if they get stuck together down there. Only when a pediatrician recommends, okay guys? Number 2, when we are of childbearing age, after we have a baby, sometimes we'll use a little bit of vaginal estrogen just to kind of help our vaginal area heal after a delivery, or if we are in our postpartum phase, especially during breastfeeding, the estrogen can be so low that our girl parts can feel menopausal. So sometimes adding in topical estrogen can be of benefit. If we've had pelvic surgery for any reason, they will sometimes add an estrogen down there just to help the healing process a little bit more expeditiously. If there are urinary issues like genitourinary syndrome, where there's thinning, recurrent infections, things of that nature, those are other indications that it can be used for. Uncomfortable sex, even if you're not full-blown perimenopause or menopause, sometimes a little bit of topical estrogen is just enough to kind of keep things happy down there. And then there's obviously the perimenopausal and menopausal changes that can occur where there's dryness, irritation, frequent UTIs. The other time that it's really nice to use is also when there's lichen sclerosis, because it's a condition where there's itching of the outside of the vagina caused by a decrease in estrogen. This can occur in younger women too, so adding this back as well can rebalance the system and reduce the flares.